Good sounding 85. Can find the bloody thing. I found it. 97. Oh, can you see there? Watch. I'll try to keep on camera. Let's have a look. Just see it all. Yeah. We have a watch. Paul. Watch. That's a solid 95. Let's get the bugger out of the hole. There she is. Bit of sun. Oh, it doesn't look that old, and the strap's intact. I thought that said bloody Rolex. It's not, is it? It doesn't say Rolex, does it? I've got to take my glove off to zoom in. Hold on. No, reflex. Bloody hell, I thought it said bloody Rolex. It stopped at 12 minutes past 10, whenever that was. So how's that come off? Because the strap is not broken. But then again, it's a bendy strap that can easily come off, especially if it's in the sea up here. But yeah, look at that. Complete. Reflex, not Rolex. Ah well, good little find. Right guys, here we go. We've got the box apart, we've removed the crown, a very green looking battery. I've just tried a new battery in there, but it still wasn't working. I'm recording that now. Right, so yeah, so I'm just recording the microscope so we'll be able to see a bit better. So yeah, I'll just show you then. So on the old battery, it had absolutely no voltage at all, so very green, and it's only showing 0.3 volts. So a brand new battery will be showing 3.6 volts. Yeah, 3 volt battery. So we've got that. So we've got a new battery. Obviously, I'll put it in, but nothing working. Right, I'll just stop here and put some more light on. So we've got a bit more light on. So we'll go straight onto the microscope now, and as you can see the front is okay. All these move. If you just push them around, they move. Second hand, the minute hand, hour hand. But if you look inside, there is green everywhere. Let's focus that in. So we've got green around there. And it looks like, I think this is a crystal here, when we're looking. There. So we've got green. Let me get your pointy stick. So we've got green all down here, and we've got green corrosion kind of around. Let's focus in a little bit better. Kind of around this screw area. I can't see nothing on the coil, but where the battery sits, you can see there's green in there. So what first I'm going to do is I'm going to blow it out just with some stuff I use on the keyboards. Just blow that out. Let's take the top off. See if we can get any more excess crap out. Yeah, shake it up, Mark, might help. So yeah, bit of a blow there, sort of blow job. So what we're going to try and do then is just try and pick away at that green stuff. And what I might do, alright, I'm not a watch repairer, I haven't got the tools for it. I'm just trying to do what I can to hopefully get it moving, to get it working again. So what I thought I'd do is, I've got a little bit of oil on a brush. I don't know if it's going to do anything, but I'm just going to coat some oil around it. Get in focus. There we go. A little bit of oil, nice and gently around it. Just see if we give a bit of lubricant. They're probably not going to do it any good at all, but hey ho. Let's just see if I can get some of the green off, help it remove it. There we go. So, let's get my stick, little scraping tool. So, it does actually took some off. Let's focus you in a bit. Yeah, it's took some off around there, and around there. Still a little bit on. Let's get a little better light. Yeah. There's little bits. The best way to do this, so you can see better. There. Bit of focus. So we've got a little bit of green just in here. Let's see if we can move some of that, which is coming off quite easy actually. Right, where else do we have some? I'm not sure if this is the earth contacts in here. Just try and take some of that crap off. It looks like there's bits of sand in there anyway. And where was that? In here. It has took the green off. That's quite impressive actually. Have we got green on that coil just somewhere there, look. Looks like it has a coating on it anyway. And there was one round and that coil on the screw. Let's focus in. And that seems to have disappeared as well, I think. Try it there. A little bit, you see just at the, get some light on it. So just in there. That's moved. Got some off. Yeah, there's green there, look, which could be stopping it actually working if that is green. Hard to see. So some just around that screw. We'll just try and get rid of that. And we can always just whack a battery in. I think I'll just go and get a bit of tissue and just dab all that off. But just doing that makes it look a bit cleaner already, actually. Not bad. Right, let me get a bit of tissue and I'll get back to you. So we're back with a bit of tissue. Let's get my little stick, and what I'm going to try and do is just soak some of this oil up. Just see if we can put too much pressure on it, really. Yeah, soaking up, soaking up. I mean, probably quite a cheap watch in its day. But what we can do is put the battery in. Which one was it? Which is the bad one? That's the bad one. That's the good one. But the battery thing looks absolutely a lot cleaner just with that bit of oil. Just to get you focused on it. I'll say the earth is that with me stick. So the earth is probably just right at the back there. There. But I'm not really seeing any green on the cogs or like that, but we can probably put a battery in, maybe. Can we reach a cog anywhere and just try and see if it'll force round? There's a cog there, look. Let's try and find where we put my little, let me just see if I can find my little stick, guys, sorry. I dropped it somewhere. Oh, find that in a minute. So we'll whack that battery in. Let's put that in now. And I think it goes like that, and then push down. And here we go. So we're in. Anything? No. Nothing at all. So I wonder if I need to put the crown in and push it in. Because obviously you take the crown out and it pushes out and it's supposed to stop it all, isn't it? So maybe I need the crown in. Which goes, where does it go? I'll just see if I can find the crown, where to put the crown in. There. It's there. A little hole there, look, see it? So the crown goes in there. So obviously we've pulled it out, so that's made it stop, hasn't it? So let's push that in, we're in. Yes! Yes, she is going. Look at that. Right, so here we go. We've got it all cleaned up. Got all the sand out from all in there. So what we're going to do, we've got some gold spray. We'll just use this bit of cardboard just to protect my surface, you know. Other parcel deliveries are available. Let's get some gold spray on it. Go. So what we'll do, we'll just leave that for 5 minutes. It's quick drying. We'll turn it round and get some on the other side. So let's get some on the other side. Don't need a lot. That's all it needs. So let that dry. We'll get it all back together and see what it looks like. So there you go, guys. She's had a bit of a spray. She's been put back together. You can see she's ticking away lovely. Nice little mend from the beach find. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye bye.